Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2021 250 Sun Deck. What a great little boat this is. We're going to start at the back of the boat. You've got the single 300, the new Merc, 300 horsepower, fantastic motor. It's a little rocket ship, plenty of power for this boat. It's in the new Quantum Blue, and let's hop on board and I'll show you the rest. Here we are with the 250 Sun Deck. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's covered, got the nice gray sun deck on it, but the seat's a really versatile seat, so it's nice rear facing, hanging out. You got a little lounger on the side, so the setup is really cool. But what's really neat about it is I can take this, move this forward, and now there's your big L-shaped seating right here. So very, very cool setup how they did this. Moving in, you got storage all underneath here. And you got opposing seating on this side, which is really nice. You got a great sitting area. You can take this, you can slide this back, and slide this one back as well. Very, very comfortable for lounging and just hanging out just at the beach, anchored out. Real nice setup. Over on this side, you've got the helm area. You've got the Simrad, recessed Simrad. It looks really, really sharp. And it's a large one as well, so that's more than you're going to need on electronics. And then we've got the little cabin. And the little cabin's got a little porta potty in it, a little laying down area. A couple people can lay down and take a little nap type of thing. So really neat little cabin for a 25-foot sun deck. As we move to the bow, it's a little bit different. Normally it's you have a sun lounger on both sides on a lot of the boats. This one you get the walk through on the port side, and then you got a nice 4 adults can comfortably sit here. Ladder, it's the beach boarding ladder, so I flipped this up. You've got the beach boarding ladder for getting on and off the boat without getting wet. Really nice feature. So the boat does everything very well. It's a very fast boat. So if you've got any questions, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.